In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust line spacing in Outlook. To get started, open a new email or reply to an existing message. The line spacing controls only appear while you are composing, so make sure the message window is active. If you plan to format a specific part of your message, it helps to draft a few lines first, so you can see the results as you make changes. For quick adjustments, highlight the text you want to format. Go to the Format Text tab at the top of the Compose window. In the Paragraph group, look for the icon with up and down arrows labeled Line and Paragraph Spacing. Click it to open a menu of presets such as 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, and 2.0. Choosing one applies that spacing to the selected text immediately. If you don't have anything highlighted, Outlook will apply the spacing to the paragraph where your cursor is and to any new text you type from that point on. This is a fast way to standardize spacing across a message without digging into more advanced settings. If you want detailed control, highlight the text again and open the paragraph dialog. You can do this by right-clicking the selection and choosing Paragraph, or by clicking the small launcher arrow in the corner of the Paragraph group on the Format Text tab. In the spacing section of the dialog, you'll see controls for before and after, which add or remove space above and below paragraphs, and a line spacing dropdown. Single, 1.5, and double are straightforward. At least let's Outlook expand the spacing if the font or graphics need more room. Exactly locks the spacing to a fixed value, which is useful for precise layouts, but can clip taller characters if the value is too small. Adjust these settings while glancing at your message so you can judge readability and consistency. When everything looks right, apply the changes to return to your message. If you want to keep these choices for future emails, select Set as Default in the Paragraph dialog. This tells Outlook to use your spacing preferences whenever you compose a new message or reply. And you can still override them on a case-by-case basis with the same controls. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.